Hi, so today we're learning about the 12 color wheel. And in the past, we've learned about the 6 colors of 3 primary and 3 secondary. So today you've learned about tertiary colors, and we're going to make our own tertiary colors. Now, I'm going to be using watercolors, which hopefully you all have at home. If you do not have your watercolors at home, you can use crayon or color pencil to do your color mixing. And instead of painting in the circles, you'll just color them in. Markers will not really work for this, depending on what kind of markers you have and what kind of paper that you're using. If you have your sketchbook, you can do this inside your sketchbook. So some things that you'll need are the watercolors, some water, and some paper towel. So there are 6 tertiary colors. There's red, orange, yellow green, blue violet, and red violet. So you can see I kind of set this up like a little math problem where we're going to do one color plus one color equals the tertiary color. So the name of the tertiary color, like red, orange, is going to be our 2 colors that we're going to mix together. So I'm going to get my paintbrush wet. I'm going to get some red watercolor on here. I'm going to paint this in red. Make sure you clean your brush good. Then we'll get some orange. We will paint this one in orange. And then we will mix. Now, take a look at your colors. Whatever one is lighter, we're going to start with. So I'm going to start with the orange. I'm going to rinse my brush. I'm going to get a teeny little dab of red and mix that red in there to get a red-orange color. Then I'm going to keep on moving down my color list. So I'm going to go on to yellow, orange, and a little bit more yellow paint. My yellow is super light. So remember, I'm going to start with my lighter color. So I'm going to get that yellow. And then just a teeny tiny dab of orange. Maybe a little bit more to make a yellow-orange color. Almost looks like my orange up there. Now I'm going to move on to yellow-green. I'm going to go ahead and paint my yellow while I have it on my brush this time. Now remember, if you're using watercolors, you do want, a little bit of water in with those colors. They should not be super thick. They should be nice and juicy. And I think I got a little too much green in there. So all I did was get a little water on my brush and then mix the water in with that to suck up some of that green. So here with blue-green, they're both kind of the same darkness, so I just went with the green first since it was already on my brush. And then I'm going to mix that blue. Looking ahead, I know I'm going to need purple here, so I'm just going to go ahead and paint that purple. A little bit of blue. Oh, now I used a little bit too much blue in that. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go back with my paper towel while it's still wet. I'm going to dab some of that up. And it's okay that it got a little bit messy. And I'm going to try making that blue violet again. So I think that's a little bit of a better color. So now I have my 6 tertiary colors.